Does your voice shake when you are nervous, at work, at interview, or when you're speaking in front of people? You are not alone, but you can fix it today. And I'll show you exactly how. Hello everyone, my name is Sivil Velsha and I'm a voice coach. I'm PhD in intonation and acoustics. And a quick story from my personal experience. I used to avoid speaking in front of people or talking to people just because my voice would tremble once I opened my mouth. By the end of this video, you will have step-by-step toolkit to stop the shaking and sound strong, even if you are scared inside. So why your voice shakes? The first explanation is based on science. It's a fight or flight response. Shallow breath, tight muscles. Overthinking, faster speech, shaky tone. Lack of breath support, unstable voice. When we are anxious, we hold our breath and breathe from the chest. That robs your voice of its power. So the first step, before you speak, don't rush into talking. Ground yourself. Feet on the floor, drop your shoulders. Take 3 deep belly breaths. Not with your chest, but with your belly. You'll feel how it expands. Step number 2, breathe and support. A confident voice rides on breath. Think of your breath as your power spot. Use diaphragmic breathing. Breathe with your belly, not with your chest. Short vocal warm-ups, humming, lip trills, and a simple phrase like I've got this, I can do it, I can speak really well. And then say, if your breath is shaky, your voice will be too. Fix the breath, fix the shake. Step number 3, practice tone anchors. When you speak, imagine your voice dropping into the ground, not floating in the air. Now let's practice tone anchors. Say strong phrases while imagining weight in your voice. I'm ready, not I'm ready. I'm ready. Here is what you think, not here is what you think. Here is what you think. Let me show you. Feel the low vibration in your chest. That's vocal confidence. Step number 4, mental reset. What you believe affects how you speak. Don't try to sound perfect. Focus on the connection. Use positive affirmation. Even if my voice shakes, I speak anyway, and people understand me. One of the optional tips, you can chew a gum before speaking. It relaxes your jaw and throat. Step number 5, real life practice. Start small. Speak in low stress situations. Order a coffee. Talk in a bus, in a park, in the street. Ask a friend to role play an interview or presentation. Join a speaking group or online meetings. Your voice is a muscle and you can train it. I'm taking back my voice